In today's video, I am going to teach you how to stop text from auto-changing formats in Google Sheets/Excel. If you have ever typed something like an ID with leading zeros, a long code, or a value that looks like a date, you have probably seen Google Sheets or Excel help by changing the format automatically. That can turn 00123 into 123, or convert a code into a date. The good news is that you can stop this behavior in two reliable ways, depending on whether you are fixing a few cells or preparing for a larger paste. First is the apostrophe shortcut, which is the quickest option when you only have a couple of cells to correct. Before you type your value, add a single apostrophe at the very beginning. For example, if you type apostrophe 00123, the spreadsheet will display 00123 exactly as you wrote it. The apostrophe itself will not show inside the cell after you press enter, but it tells Sheets or Excel to treat the entry as plain text and leave it alone. This is especially useful for one-off fixes, like a single tracking code or an account number that must keep its exact formatting. Next is the best method for larger lists, which is to pre-format the cells as plain text before you type or paste anything. This prevents the spreadsheet from trying to interpret your data as numbers, dates, or scientific notation in the first place. In Google Sheets, start by opening your spreadsheet. Then highlight the specific cells or the entire column where you want to control formatting. Once that range is selected, go up to the Format menu. From there, choose Number, and then select Plain Text. At this point, your selected area is set to accept text exactly as entered. Now you can click back into one of the highlighted cells and type your values, or paste in your list. Because the cells are already set to plain text, entries like product codes, Idaho numbers with leading zeros, and similar values should stay exactly as you entered them. A quick tip is to format the whole column as plain text before importing or pasting data, especially when you know the column contains codes rather than true numbers. That small habit saves a lot of cleanup later. That covers everything you need to know.